to remove castor oil from hair easily. First of all, use lukewarm water to damp your scalp and hair. This process will open your scalp pores to release the stored grime and dirt. Next, take some shampoo in your palms and add some water to it. Rub your palms to form a rich lather. This action will make your palms moist, thus avoiding friction that may otherwise cause hair breakage. Now, apply the shampoo to your hair and scalp. Massage gently using your fingertips. Let the shampoo stay for a minute. Then, wash your hair with warm water. Use your fingers to make circular motions along the scalp to wash any leftover shampoo. Now, apply some leave-in conditioner to your hair and its tips. Leave it on for 3 to 5 minutes. Then, wash your hair entirely with cold water. This step locks and seals the moisture and makes your hair richer and shinier. After washing hair, use a fresh towel to dry your hair. Do not rub your wet hair harshly. Let it air dry. In the final step, use a good quality, preferably wooden, comb to untangle your hair. Hope you did get some value out of our today's video. If you really did, hit subscribe button, press the bell icon in order to get regular updates from our channel.